Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can swap crypto in Bitget Wallet. So first, you just have to open your Bitget Wallet, and then from here just go ahead and tap on the trade at the bottom. So once you tap on that, you will see here the crypto, which is what you want to swap. So from option, you just have to click on this one. If you want to change it, you have the option to change the crypto and also to the to section. So you can click on this arrow and then you will be able to find any crypto that you want to swap to. So once you're done with that, so you can also interchange the both crypto by clicking on this one. So you just have to tap on swap and then you will be given all these fees at the bottom and also with the receiving address and all that stuff, and then you just have to confirm the transaction. So that's pretty much it. It's very easy, and I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.